Oh my God. Salen a trabajar. No puede ser. My God. Pobrecito.
Yeah, viewers and subscribers, we say well forward back to the channel. My name is Deported. This channel is all about travel vlog, music, news, entertainment, update, live stream, and story time, guys. This channel is Spotitdon TV, story time. If you me follow all the rest of the channel then. So people, you see me, somebody send me these video clippings and say Jamaican and Mexican get pulled over. If you me say I work truck of Florida. You get to me and say, but the good thing in this video, yeah, people, they need to watch and see what I go on, because, yo, you see me and say, crazy road on one part. You see me, we are going to watch the video, and then we are going to read about it some more and some style. You see me, so, we could watch the first video when time him and run him down. Alright. Run faster.
What the hell's going on in Rancho Cucamonga?
Ice outside.
Huh? You hear that? What? Like a bang, like someone got hit.
So, that time, man, we see they catch them right there, so.
Como si fuera un criminal. Ay, no puede ser, pobrecito. Como si fuera un criminal. Oh my God, se lleva otro también, pobrecito. Ay, Jesús, no puede ser, qué tristeza, Dios mío.
The black man there.
No, pobrecitos. Salen a trabajar, la migra está aquí, frente al Walmart, en la
Sunrise,
Ay,
Walmart,
no, pobrecitos.
Florida.
Salen a trabajar.
Work truck, gone with him to Lombard.
Me parte el
Yeah.
alma.
One more in our black seat, you see?
Nadie viene a su trabajo.
Two black, somebody over there said I back seat.
Teléfono, alguien que los ayude. Ninguno debe hablar inglés. Se aprovecha.
Come on.
Oh my God, otro.
Dog, I laugh because I know it's saying done illegal. Yeah, I hope so they never find out. See, person them in the back seat now, people.
Pobre hombre.
They say a Jamaican.
Desgraciado.
Two of them are Jamaican.
Oh Dios, qué tristeza.
They like them straight, them not illegal.
Ay, qué tristeza, Dios, pobrecitos.
Give them body ID, man. Check ID, yo, crazy.
This place.
Like I say, show nobody else.
Ya no van a poder salir a trabajar en esos carros con esos uniformes porque ya los tienen fichados. Ay, Dios mío. It's not good.
Oh my God, so sad. Anytime you see this different cut in the front. Don't say this guy. But I see one after.
I don't want to take some of it.
What you got, David? Got the.
Listen, I asked him. We both, the first one. We had both. He got pen, cut in front of them. Then the two, highway patrol.
Yeah, viewers and subscribers, so as you can see, for all who out there think that ICE immigration stop working, no, they don't stop work. If you say this is a work, you know them landscaping truck, and you know they clean up and maintenance and all these things. So apparently what I get to understand is that you feel me, it was 2 Mexican on the truck and 2 Jamaican in the back seat. You feel me? I say the driver is American. I guess he own the company. You feel me? I say, I don't know if you might get fined for that and all these things. But the good thing out of this situation, guys, you get what I'm saying? As you can see, only the Mexican they take out. I think it's like 3 of them they take out of the truck. You see me, the Jamaican, them went and they check, because you see the policeman have a whole bunch of ID. You feel me? I say a whole bunch of ID in having iPad. So basically, when they pull over a truck now, you see, they say, alright, you give me an ID, give me an ID. You get what I'm saying? And you see in our first video, oh, then still a run down. You feel, because a whole rampage, then they pan in Florida. I think that was yesterday, you know. Yesterday they on a rampage, they just running down people. Right now they go to the Walmart and they park up over there and then look and they see the work truck coming and they say, alright, this work truck coming, Florida landscape. Okay, this look like we hit the jackpot. We see a bunch of colored people inside of there too. Okay, yes man. So every time they see the work truck, they know them pull them over. So if you know you're illegal, it don't make sense you go look no job on those type of truck right there. You feel me? Don't go look try work no landscape with no American company. Normally, you know. Yeah, if you can see these days now, is the American them right now I take over the landscaping business. Cause back in the days, you know, you feel me? I say be Mexican, Spanish and Guatemalan and all these things. Them I feed them company that. You get what me say? But now them realize say you a lot of them illegal. So what they start do right now, American them say, alright, bam, we are go sign up, register a company, and then we are go hire a whole bunch of them. You feel me? I say if it can work, if they not no papers, they not no paper, we are work with them. If ICE get them, ICE does get them. And so they look for the people. Can you imagine you know they on that truck they know? You feel me? I say all the Jamaican them with in a back seat right there. So I know them a shake. If you do they probably straight. You see me? Yeah. You see me? Cause you see and take out one of Mexican and he does a laugh. Like you know, I don't know, say you're watching up, we get shake, man. They don't catch you, I busted. They get to me as a people. So, the car out there, you have to be vigilant, especially summer now, summer coming. You see me, I said, summertime, I go be great, crazy. A lot of people are going to get caught up in this summer thing. I hear a lot of people I say, oh, I can't wait for it to get out outside. I can't wait for the summer come, because I go outside, go out and all them thing there. Make sure say you have a document and you walk with your passport by your forehead. Or your green card in your wallet. Because right now, the summertime, they're coming. World Cup, they might come a World Cup too. Enough people get pulled over a World Cup. Watch and see. You see me I say, cause that's why they think. Because remember, you know, Trump tell everybody, say, you're right now, you can apply for the World Cup visa. So you see it. So when time that happen now, you know, say a whole heap of Caribbean people, a whole heap of island, different countries and all these things. Pakistan, Middle East and all them blow, Europe, England. You feel me? Everybody were in a football. You see it? Them a go outside. And guess what go happen now, guys? ICE a go outside too. As the game done. Everybody will come through entrance. ID. They check them have a machine. Can make them make sure come with the machine where work quick and fast. You know, them upgrade the machine. Machine where them come with now that I go activate. That now no sticking, no delay, no buffing. Quick and fast get ID. Alright, citizen. Alright, resident. Okay. No. Take him. So you can stay the bone I got World Cup here on in a straight. Once you don't say you're just straight, leave out the World Cup business alone. Alright. Can't say me never want to know. But big up to the same viewers and subscribers. I see the video right over where they send come give me on my WhatsApp and them a true. They tell me say 2 of them are Jamaican. In there, that's why I say alright, me come put it over here so make people them watch, cause them video are good people, cause some wanna get relaxed and feel like say immigration stop work and stop them just nah go hard since the murder. Since the killing they nah go so hard again. Since they kill a woman and a man, them nah really go so hard, them a do it, but them a do it on a style. Them a catch you quietly. No help of excitement. You know, see say a person we have video, them have to hide behind some bush, behind some trees. And a video. You get what I'm saying? And you notice them Iceman there, them no look like them have they no have a mask on and them something there. Me no remember if it, me have to go watch back the down bad video to see if they have a mask. Is it? No, they never have no mask, people. The mice man they out there, them never have no mask on their head. So right now they might do it different. Yeah. So people wanna be vigilant and be careful out there. Because right now they're not playing on the streets, my friend. You know, slow down. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. You feel me? I say stay tuned. You feel me? And when I go start doing this channel to these type of videos with immigration running down people and all these things. When I get them, I'm gonna start bring them over here, let you guys see. On this channel right here, this one, not my other channel. You feel me? I say, so now subscribe. This channel, I think I will be putting up the videos on the screen to let you know see what's going on. But all I have to do is subscribe to all my channel, them you see. All these channels is collaborating. Subscribe. Yeah, Spotitdon TV. But we outside I do it. So follow me on the Instagram, guys. Spotitdon TV. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on all platforms. If you may just check out you can follow me on TikTok at Donpert. DONPERT Donpert. Just type in Donpert and you will see that. I have Spotitdon TV over there on TikTok too, but I'm mostly on the Donpert page. So if you want, you can follow on Spotitdon TV too. Just type in Spotitdon TV, you get that. But I mostly activate Donpert page still. You feel me? And on Instagram, follow me on Spotitdon TV. Facebook Spotitdon TV. Subscribe to YouTube. You see what I say, people? So big up on yourself, hope you have a wonderful weekend and enjoy the rest of the day. And for me, I will see you on the next one. I'm out.